Short-form videos are one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing today. Whether you're promoting a product or building brand awareness, platforms like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels are perfect for grabbing attention fast. But creating videos one by one can be time-consuming, especially when you're marketing multiple products like different juice flavors. That's where Canva's Bulk Create feature comes in. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly create eye-catching, pro-looking short videos to promote multiple juice products. First, go to Canva and search for YouTube Shorts, or simply click on YouTube Short. This will take you to a blank editing page. Now, let's create our first design for a marketing video ad. For this, we'll be creating an orange crush can video. Next, head to Elements and search for a blob shape. You'll find several options, and for this project, I'm using the blob shape I recently worked with. After that, arrange it by rotating and scaling it just like this. Now, click on the duplicate icon to create a copy of the shape. It might be hard to see distinctly since both blobs are the same color. To fix this, click on the shape and change the color. Next, go to Position, then Layers, and drag the top blob layer to the bottom. Now you'll be able to see both shapes separately like this. Now, adjust the shapes like this. Next, click on the background, go to Colors, and change the color to match the bottom shape like this. Then, I'll change the middle shape's color to white like this. Now, head to Elements and search for Juice Can. Under Graphics, I'll pick this orange can, add it to the canvas, then scale and position it like this. Then go to Position and Layers. Place the can layer between the two blob shapes like this. Adjust and arrange it as needed. Next, search for orange fruit in Elements. And under Photos, I'll pick this orange slice. Scale and position it like this. Then go to Position, Layers, and place the slice layer between the can and the top blob shape, like this. Finally, search for Water Drop in Elements. And I'll choose this PNG image. Add it. Now arrange it like this in the layers. Then scale and position it like this. Now, click on the three dots on the page and then duplicate the page like this. Next, click on the first page and arrange all these elements so they're covered by the blob shape. Drag the pink blob shape up and the white blob shape down to cover the white space and all the elements like this. Now, I'll change the color of the top blob shape from pink to orange, which suits the orange juice theme. Click on Change All, and it will update all the pink elements to orange like this. Everything looks good now. Hover between the two pages, click here to add a transition, and select the Match and Move transition. Increase the transition duration as needed. Now we can see the transition like this. Pretty awesome, right? Next, go back to Elements and search for an orange juice video. I'll pick this one. Scale and position it like this. Let's play it. Now go to text, add a heading, and type orange. Then duplicate it and type text crush, like this. Now, position the text on top of the video like this. Click here to change the font. Type 210 in the search bar. Then scroll down to the bottom and choose this font. Click Change All to apply it to all text. Hold Shift and select both text boxes, then arrange them like this. I'll change the font color of each text to orange. Next, go to Elements, find Shapes, and select a rectangle to cover the video, leaving only the text area visible. Take a look. Like this, I've covered the entire video except for the text area. Don't forget to change the rectangle color to orange as well. Now let's take another look. The text isn't standing out enough, so I'll change the surrounding color to dark orange like this. Click on the canvas, go to Position, then Layers, and select the video layer. Now click here to change the speed of the clip, and I'll increase it to the maximum like this. Next, click on the scissors icon to trim the clip as needed. I've trimmed it to 5 seconds. Once done, click Done. Now go back to Elements, search for orange fruit, and add it to the front page like this. Arrange it as needed. If you want, you can add more oranges to make it more attractive, but I'm just showing the procedure for now. Let's check the transition. Now I'll duplicate all the elements, both the text and the fruit, and drag them onto the second page, like this. Then scale and position the orange and text elements like this. Lastly, duplicate the page again. Click on the 3 dots and select Duplicate to create another copy. Now go to the third page. First, I'll remove the text and the fruit. Then, drag the orange color blob shape down, the white blob shape up, and arrange the other elements like this. Next, go to Elements again, search for orange fruit, and from Photos, choose an image that's suitable for the background. Add it to the canvas, and scale it to overflow the editing area like this. Now go to Animate. Click on the B icon. Hold the Shift key and drag the image from right to left, like this. This will create a straight animation path, like this. Change the movement style to Smooth, and it will animate like this. Then click Done. Next, go to Position, Layers, and drag the animated image layer down, placing it between the can and the white blob shape, like this. Finally, click on the can, go to Edits, scroll down to Shadows, and add an outline shadow. Change the shadow color to white, like this. Also add the match and move transition between these 2 pages as well. I'll set the transition duration to 1 second. You can use the side handles of each page to trim the length of the page, so I'll reduce the length of the second page like this. Let's take a look. I added a wave effect to the fruit on the first page, like this. Next, I'll change the font of the text on the second page to Anton. Then select the orange text, go to Effects, and add the hollow effect. After that, arrange both text elements like this. Let's preview the video. It might be a bit lagging right now, but don't worry, it'll be fine once you download it. Now, let's head over to Bulk Create other videos using this same template. First, we need to find suitable images and elements for the other designs and add them into folders. I'm starting by searching for a juice can in Elements. I'm going to pick this mango can. Click on the three dots, select Add to Folder, then create a new folder and give it a name. After that, click Move to Folder, and the mango can will be added to that folder. Next, I want to add this lemon can. Click on the three dots, select Add to Folder, and choose the can folder we created earlier. Then click Add to Folder, and the lemon can will also be added to that folder. Similarly, I added two more cans, grape and strawberry cans. Now we need to pick images and graphic elements for these fruits. There are three separate elements to find: the front page fruit, the fruit slice, and the fruit background image. Now, I'm going to add elements for the mango fruit. In Photos, I'll pick three images and add them into three separate folders. One for the fruit slice, one for the front page fruit, and one for the background. Here, you can see four folders, including the can folder. Similarly, I've added all the elements for the other three fruits as well. As you can see, each folder now has 4 items. Now go to Apps, search for Bulk, and click on Bulk Create. We'll enter the data manually. First, clear the table. Next, click Add Image 4 times to add 4 image columns. I'll replace their names like this. Then, hover over each image column cell and click the plus icon to add an image. Here, I want to add the cans, so I'll choose the can folder and add each can image one by one like this. Now, go to the Fruit 1 column, choose the front page fruit folder, and add each image one by one like this. Do the same for Fruit 2 in the background as well. Next, go to the first text column and type the text that will replace the orange crush text in our design. Here, I'll type mango. For the other word, I'll add another text column and type text crush in it, like this. Similarly, I'll enter all the other texts. Once that's done, click Done. Now, we need to connect each column to the suitable elements in the design. First, I'll connect the background. Click on the relevant image, then click the 3 dots. Select Connect Data, and choose Background, like this. Similarly, I'll connect the orange slice to the Fruit 2 column. Now, go to Position to select the can. Click on the can layer, then click on the 3 dots. We can't see the Connect Data option here. Why? Because we can only see it in Bulk Create. So, go back to Bulk Create. Just click here, and then click on the 3 dots. Now, you'll see the Connect Data option. Connect it to the Can column. Now, all the elements on the 3rd page are connected. Next, go to the 2nd page. Connect all the elements and text on this page just like we did before. First, connect the text, then the slice, then connect the fruit, and finally connect the can. Now let's go to the first page. First, connect each text to its corresponding column like this. Then connect this to the Fruit 1 column. Hold on, there are hidden elements as well, under the dark orange background. To connect them, go to Position, then Layers. Select the slice, go back to Bulk Create, and connect it to the Fruit 2 column, like this. Similarly, connect the can to the Can column as well. Okay, now all the elements are connected. Click on Continue, then click Generate 4 Designs. Likewise, we can bulk create hundreds of designs. Click on View in Folder, and here are our designs. Let's take a look. This is the design for Mango Crush. This one is for Lemon Crush. This one for Grape Soda. And finally, this one for Strawberry. You can see there are some minor defects in some of the elements, so we'll need to fix them separately one by one. Like this. Likewise, I'll adjust all the elements as needed. Take a look. Mango, lemon, grapes, and finally strawberry. Now, we need to download each video separately. How do we do that? Just go to Share, click Download, and from there select the pages you want to download. For example, if I want to download the grape video, I select the 3 pages related to it, and then click Download. In the same way, you can download each video separately. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. More cool stuff is coming.